I'm Tiana.
And I'm Adrian.
And this is
Tiana and Ace Taste.
And on today's video, we are going to be showing you how I make a green juice at home. And we'll actually be showing you how to do it without a juicer, but obviously, if you have a juicer, probably easier. All right, so let's show you how I make the kind of green juice. So I took 2 apples and I already cut them up, and I just chopped them up and get the core out. Throw those in.
All of them in?
Yeah.
I'm the assistant.
And then I took 3 stalks of celery, but 2, 3, whatever. I just kind of wing it. Add that in.
Okay.
And then for sweet, well, I'll take that, yeah.
Okay.
For sweetness, I do add in a whole banana. So I don't know if you want to peel that, but it's
I
a very
can see
nice
that.
ripe. No, that's fine. It's a very nice ripe sweet banana. And while Mom's doing that, I'm going to do the juice of 2, of 1 full lemon. This one's a little big.
Now, if I wasn't here, would you peel those little strands off, or would you leave them?
Leave them. I wasn't paying attention to. Yeah, I don't peel those strands off at all. This lemon's a little large for this. There we go. It's a kind of fat one.
It was kind of round.
Yeah, it was, rather than like ovally. All right. And then kind of a chunk of ginger that I mainly peeled.
You don't have to grate it or anything? You just toss it right in?
Yeah, just toss it right in.
Okay.
We'll blend it all up. And then some spinach. Kind of a handful of spinach. Just shove that in there. And while Mom's doing that, go ahead, Apollo, you can have that. I'll grab some water. And then you just add liquid. Might not be full enough.
Now, you're just using water there.
Yes.
Could you add anything different than water?
Yeah, I mean, you could do like a coconut water if
Okay.
you like that. You could do a non-dairy milk, but that would be, like, this is more of a kind of juice, so rather than a smoothie, where the coconut milk might make it, like a coconut milk or an almond milk might make it a little bit more creamy.
Yeah.
I am going to refill this, and then I'll add just a little bit more liquid. I would say, about a cup of liquid or so, but as we blend, we can kind of, check it. But I'll put some more water in, and then I'll stick this on the blender, and then I'll come back and show you. All right, so we're back and blended. It's a nice liquid. And this is a nut milk bag that I bought actually on Amazon. I can link it down below. This is what I use to strain the juice, get any of that skin that was on the apple, all that kind of stuff that we're talking about, that will get it all out. So I usually do like a couple bits at a time, just because I find it easier. Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
And then you basically just squeeze out all the liquid, and everything that's coming out is your juice. So obviously you want to wash your hands before like this step and everything. And then once, with the nut milk bag, what it will do is it will trap all of those fibers and all the stuff that would be sort of chunky that you don't want in juice, will be left inside the bag. Oops. And then, just because this is a little boring to watch, because I'll just do a second round of that. This is basically the juice, and so when we come back, I'll have Mom try it because she has not tried my juice yet, and I'll pour these into a glass. All right, so now to taste.
Cheers. It smells fresh. It is fresh.
It's good.
I like it.
It's not super gingery. Usually I think I actually sometimes do a little bit more ginger, but it really depends.
I can taste a little bit of everything too.
Yeah. Good. Give it a try.
Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed that video and put it to good use.
And if you liked it, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload every Thursday. And let us know down below in the comments what your favorite juice is, and maybe we'll give that one a try.